everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm so glad you could make it. Today's video is going to be a little bit different because my mom and I are going to be making our sugar cookie recipe. Basically just bringing you guys through it, so if you want to try it, you can. Hope you guys can follow along, and I will put the recipe down below in the description so that if you guys want to make it, you can. Okay guys, so this is my mom, Patty.
Hi guys.
She is a master baker. So,
Thanks.
she is. But yeah, we're gonna walk you guys through it, so let's get started. Okay, so here's what you're gonna need. 6 cups of flour, 6 eggs, 2 cups of sugar, 6 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 2 teaspoons of almond extract. I always put them in the same bowl because it's just easier to then pour into the KitchenAid mixer. And then you need 2 cups of softened butter. Okay, so we just brought our bowl over here and our mixer's on the other side, but it's just easier to put all the ingredients in. You're gonna want to stop the machine and push down these edges just to make sure you get all that butter and all the sugar well combined before you can add the other ingredients. When it comes out of the mixture, it should look like this. Then you're gonna want to cover it with a piece of saran wrap. And then you want to refrigerate it for 30 minutes. It's been about 30 minutes and we just took the dough out of the refrigerator. So, ooh baby, delicious. Okay, so once your dough is all rolled out, we use chopsticks to put next to it. If you have chopsticks, you can use them. That kind of keeps you on track with how thick you want your dough to be. This way it's even all around. And then once it's flat like this, you can start to cookie cut.
Dip your cookie cutter in the flour. It usually helps. Then it releases really easily.
But of course you have to taste this. Make sure it's good. It's good.
And the dough is incredibly delicate, you know? It's
Yeah.
It's you can feel the butter in there, it's soft.
Oven at 375. Oh baby. Okay guys, so it's 24 hours later and we are ready to decorate the cookies. After we rolled them out last night, it just got too late and we were way too tired to be able to decorate. So I have all of the stuff out right now. So we got our homemade icing, all of our food dyes, our cookies are ready to be frosted, all of our decorations, and we're gonna start to dye the icing. Okay, so we mixed up all of our icings, got all these nice Easter spring colors going on. Let's get started. I don't think cookie decorator is going to be on my resume one day because these things look like I will really not ever be a professional cookie decorator. Patty, on the other hand,
Tie-dye, my favorite.
Okay, so clearly it is a different day, a different time, and once again I have forgotten to film an outro, but I just wanted to say thanks to everyone who got this far and watched. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if anyone decides to try the recipe, make sure you tag me, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and keep up with me on social media. See you guys next time.